starting with a mold. What matters is not only product quality, but also customer trust. This time, we came to the site to inspect the plastic molds for our customers, from appearance and structure to dimensional accuracy, in terms of the smoothness of opening and closing, from trial molding performance to every single detail. We have strict control over it. At the same time, we can design customized molds according to different material properties and product structure requirements. Is the mold stable? Does the product meet the standards? Is production controllable? We deliver more than just molds. We deliver peace of mind. On-site testing, data verification, and immediate problem optimization. Because we know very well that what our customers wanting is not just a mold, it is a complete and reliable solution. From product development and mold design to trial molding verification and subsequent mass production support, we always adhere to putting customers' needs at the core. Providing more efficient, stable, and worry-free manufacturing services enable molds to achieve high efficiency and stable production. Professionalism is our commitment to quality. Rigorousness is our promise to our clients. Leave the complexity to us and give the stability to our customers. Let every acceptance inspection be the beginning of a long-term partnership.